And naturally, man has used everything to protect himself. Why? Why you want to protect yourself? Because you don't want to be wrong. There is only one desire, not to be wrong. And in spite of that such a strong desire, we are always go wrong. Nobody wants to be wrong and still we are wrong. Why?